our journey starts in Southern Pines. Right now I'm in Swansboro at this island that I just stayed at. That was episode 1. If you did not see that, check it out. Now we're gonna bump to episode 2 in Southern Pines, North Carolina. So let's go. All right, I'm here in Southern Pines, North Carolina, about 3 hours from the last video. And behind me is the treehouse, obviously. And yeah, I'm wearing a different shirt because I completely forgot I even did this transition at the last place. And I also didn't film an intro, but let's get in there and I'll show you a tour of the house. Toilet works. All right, now we can do a tour. Spiral staircase, the actual trees. Check out this. Little sitting area out here. Is that like a bar? I don't know. Got out here. Ooh, got the bathroom. Damn. Shower. You got the wine bottles. Is there some liquor in here too? No, it looks like a lot of just wine. Yeah, it's all wine. No, there's liquor. Grey Goose.
One Grey Goose, baby!
I mean, I wonder how old some of these bottles are. Like, I've never even heard of this. Got some Altos. We've got everything from wine to vodka, tequila. I don't know what that is. Liqueur. We got everything. There's even some up there. Honestly, I've never seen anything like this in a house before, so this is really cool, especially in a tree house. I mean, not only do you have a unique tree house as it is, but you also have bed here. I gotta watch my head. Interesting. Is this the roof? Probably should have read some instructions. You just had to push it. I figured it out. Surprisingly, it's actually the simplest thing in the world to do, and I couldn't get it. I mean, we're pretty decently high up here. Scared of heights, just maybe don't come on the rooftop. But there is a house right there, but so far it's been complete privacy, so don't have to worry about that. Privacy's great. Nice. There's even speakers you can connect to. They got guest Netflix, so you don't have to log into your own Netflix. Toilet outlet. I mean, come on. You could charge. You could charge and poop. Nice little mini fridge here. Perfect for. Oh. Yo, a Modelo. I might have this on the rooftop. I mean, I don't know if they usually put these in there or the last guest forgot these, but we got some sparkling water and some 2 beers. I'm gonna wait till sunset and go out on the roof and sip this. I'm kidding, it was just a bit. I only took a couple sips. I mean, look at this place. It's nice and small, but it is perfect for a couple. You got the bed up there, you got a nice little couch, you got a mini fridge, you got a little coffee pot, some games and books over there, a TV, fireplace, air conditioning, beer. Great couples getaway. I mean, look at the shower. All right, so if you're looking to turn on the shower, right, there's all these knobs here. This bad boy, that bad boy. We got a fire pit with wood already on deck. Go under the house. Go into the tree, the posts. This tree, it's built into that tree. Built into that tree. Got this over here. Ladies. All right, if you like places like this, make sure to subscribe and also comment any places you want to see me go to. If you have any in mind, or if you're an Airbnb owner yourself and you want me to check out your unique place, it's got to be crazy, it's got to be cool, and it's got to be something else. All right, before I go, it's allergy season. I'm getting absolutely boned by this pollen. When you're on the road, traveling, detox drinks. Actually, I don't know why I'm saying this like it's my regimen. I've never had this before, but I was expecting that to be hot garbage. It was actually really good. All right, I'm switching over the phone. I don't want to be that guy that brings a camera into a local restaurant. I'm going to Sly Fox Pub. It was highly recommended. I mean, it's packed. I mean, they even have handy dandy tables for you to sit, watch TV, and eat. I mean, come on, come on. All right, as you saw, Sly Fox was way too crowded, so I went to So Pie's Pizza. I'm gonna give the positives and the negatives, so let's dig in. Look at that. Here we go. That was damn good. Grocery store, 6 minutes away. Taco bar, right next to grocery store. If you liked the video, make sure to drop a like down below, as well as subscribe for more unique Airbnb videos in the US. The goal is to get all across the US, find the most unique Airbnbs, the most unique Airbnb experiences all around the country, then hopefully all around the world, but we can't do that unless you subscribe, so make sure you subscribe. It really helps me out and will help me be able to do more videos like this, help you find your next travel. Alright, it's morning. I think that was a good transition. That might actually be, who cares? But it's light outside now. That's a great thing about this is the sun doesn't come in and blind you, so you could actually sleep in and not have to worry about it. Like, I don't even have the blinds closed, and I slept fine. I didn't even mean to do that. I didn't.